Hi, I'm Lilibet and I'm here to present to you my product research. What is a product research? A product research is a process of determining whether your idea for a new product or service might be successful and how best to develop and sell that product. This process begins by investigating the market to see if a similar product exists. When it exists, here's our product research criteria. Should be a single item product only, no variation and no bundles. Keyword search volume must be 2,000 and above. The price must be $25 and above. The sales must be 300 units and above. Revenue is 7,000 and above, and the reviews must be 500 and below. No patent or trademark, not in hazmat gated category, must be eligible for PPC, not breakable or electronics, with market trends. Item weight must be 3 pounds and below, must have room for improvement, and the profit margin must be at least 30% and above. We can do our product research using the two methods. First is the manual method. We can use AliExpress, Alibaba, TikTok, Amazon, Google, Pinterest, and the YouTube. And the second one is automated method using the Helium 10. With my chosen product, I've selected 3 keywords. My first keyword, I have 6,852 search volume. My chosen keyword, I have 7,292 search volume. And my third keyword, I have 17,817 search volume. For my chosen keyword, I have the average price of $40.99. My average sale is $761. My average revenue is $26,095.83, and my average review is 280, which is all checked with our criteria. Revenue and review count of selected keyword. For my revenue, I have 20 sellers with $7,000 and above revenue, and the average came out $26,095.83. And for my review count, I have 15 sellers with below 500 review count, and the average came out as 280. For the 3 suppliers that I found in Alibaba, the average cost of the product came out as $2.61. And for my shipping cost computation, 2.99 pounds, 1.36 kg, and $2 for the shipping per kilo, and the shipping fee is $2.71. For my chosen keyword, I've selected the product which costs $39.99, and from there, my 3 suppliers from Alibaba give me an average cost of product of $2.61, and by using the profitability calculator, my FBA fees are, for the Amazon fee, I have 6.84, and for my fulfillment, 7.33, for my storage costs, 0.63, and for my shipping fee is 2.71. And therefore, my profit is 19.87 and my net margin is 49.69, which is above 30%. And for my customer review and recommendation, I've highlighted some factors to improve based on the negative reviews of our customer in the Amazon store. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any question, please say so.